an evolving experience. We got to interact with various business leaders across MNCs, put forward our question, and gain practical insights. At A Slot, we had a very warm and friendly atmosphere. We could open up with the team, unwind, and interact with them at the end of the day. Also, coming to my project, which was in marketing, I got the necessary support and resources from my team, as well as I would like to thank Devashish sir and Mona ma'am for the constant support. It would be great if I could work with you in future as well. Thank you so much, A Slot.
Hello everyone, my name is Amit Shahukar and I was a part of S-Lot as the marketing team leader during my 2 months of internship period there. Overall, it has been a great experience for me as I have really created my individual differentiators as a team leader and also taught me how to deliver the KPIs under pressure and within the given timeline. My journey with S-Lot has provided me with opportunities where I got the chance to interact with various CXOs of top winning companies across the country. This session emphasized me on developing my interpersonal as well as technical skills. During my internship tenure, I got to understand the true difference between performance and potential and made me realize that there is no heavier burden than an unfulfilled potential. This internship experience has really shaped and prepared me for all my upcoming corporate endeavors. Thank you S-Lot for this brilliant opportunity. This has really been a transformational journey for me. Thank you.
My name is Sana. I was part of S-Lot HR team for more than a month. The company has provided me enough exposure and opportunity to know about the corporate world. The training sessions gave me correct, relevant and important information about the do and don'ts of the workplace. In these difficult times, I had best of learning experience with them. I thank S-Lot for having me and giving me such a great learning experience. Thank you S-Lot.
Hi guys, this is Shivam Sapra, former business development intern from A-Slot. Hope you are doing good. The journey with A-Slot was completely amazing. It was once in a lifetime opportunity and I have learned a lot. I would like to thank Mona ma'am and Devashish sir for providing me such an opportunity. They helped me to do the inner re-engineering through which I feel that I am more confident, optimistic and a corporate ready person. So thank you so much and all the best to this great company.
Hello everyone, my name is Nitish Kumar. I am a student of MBA at LM Thapar School of Management, District Mohali, Punjab. I did my 2-month internship as marketing intern at S-Dot Innovation Private Limited. It was a great learning experience for me to work in S-Dot Innovation Private Limited. I learned many things like teamwork and how to handle responsibilities and how to do creative things like making posters, etc. In my intern. I learned many things from my team leaders and my teammates during the period of my internship. I really want to thank my team leaders Amit and Saurabh and Devashish sir and Mona ma'am for helping and guiding us at every step of the internship. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Abudi Davarkar and I have recently completed my internship with Axelot Innovations Private Limited. So first of all, I would like to thank Devashish sir and Mona ma'am for having given me this opportunity. And my internship experience was great overall. It was a very enriching learning experience and I enjoyed working with the entire Axelot team. So thank you very much and best wishes.